Welcome to your channel, Slow English for You.
I want coffee.
I don't want coffee.
I want a sandwich.
I don't want a sandwich.
I want to sleep.
I don't want to sleep.
I want to study English.
I don't want to study English.
I want to travel.
I don't want to travel.
I want water.
I don't want water.
I want to watch a movie.
I don't want to watch a movie.
I want to go outside.
I don't want to go outside.
I want ice cream.
I don't want ice cream.
I want to go shopping.
I don't want to go shopping.
I want to play guitar.
I don't want to play guitar.
I want to take a walk.
I don't want to take a walk.
I want to cook dinner.
I don't want to cook dinner.
I want to work today.
I don't want to work today.
I want to dance.
I don't want to dance.
I want pizza.
I don't want pizza.
I want to stay home.
I don't want to stay home.
I want to visit my parents.
I don't want to visit my parents.
I want to drive.
I don't want to drive.
I want to go to the park.
I don't want to go to the park.
I want to eat rice.
I don't want to eat rice.
I want to eat salad.
I don't want to eat salad.
I want to buy new shoes.
I don't want to buy new shoes.
I want to call my friend.
I don't want to call my friend.
I want to wake up early.
I don't want to wake up early.
I want to read a book.
I don't want to read a book.
I want to clean the house.
I don't want to clean the house.
I want to learn Spanish.
I don't want to learn Spanish.
I want a cat.
I don't want a cat.
I want a dog.
I don't want a dog.
I want to go swimming.
I don't want to go swimming.
I want to play soccer.
I don't want to play soccer.
I want to take pictures.
I don't want to take pictures.
I want a new phone.
I don't want a new phone.
I want to eat chocolate.
I don't want to eat chocolate.
I want to drink juice.
I don't want to drink juice.
I want to go to the beach.
I don't want to go to the beach.
I want to sing.
I don't want to sing.
I want to buy a car.
I don't want to buy a car.
I want to learn piano.
I don't want to learn piano.
I want to help my mom.
I don't want to help my mom.
I want to go to the zoo.
I don't want to go to the zoo.
I want to eat a burger.
I don't want to eat a burger.
I want to sleep early.
I don't want to sleep early.
I want to buy a hat.
I don't want to buy a hat.
I want to see my friends.
I don't want to see my friends.
I want to take a shower.
I don't want to take a shower.
I want to eat breakfast.
I don't want to eat breakfast.
I want to go to school.
I don't want to go to school.
I want to learn English.
I don't want to learn English.
I want to drink water.
I don't want to drink water.
I want to open the window.
I don't want to open the window.
I want to watch TV.
I don't want to watch TV.
I want to make a cake.
I don't want to make a cake.
I want to buy a gift.
I don't want to buy a gift.
I want to go home.
I don't want to go home.
I want to sit down.
I don't want to sit down.
I want to go to the supermarket.
I don't want to go to the supermarket.
I want to eat soup.
I don't want to eat soup.
I want to take a photo.
I don't want to take a photo.